Hoisin sauce makes this chow mein with shrimp a sweet take on a traditional recipe. Let's cook.
So, let's start boiling some lo mein egg noodles. They only take 3 minutes. While that's cooking, cut up a few broccoli crowns. They add color and texture. And add them to the noodles. Cut an onion into slivers. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Let's see how the noodles are doing. Mince about an inch of fresh ginger root. So the noodles should be done now. Take them out of the pan and set aside. Now, a bit of oil. Fry up the onion with the ginger for a minute. Add about 8 ounces of peeled and cleaned shrimp. These ones were previously frozen, but fresh is good. And fry for about 2 minutes till they turn pink. Add a cup of bean sprouts. And let that fry for a minute. Add half a cup of chicken broth. A quarter cup of Hoisin sauce. A bit of salt, stir, and let that cook for another minute. Add back the noodles. and stir and let them heat up. Serve. And enjoy.
So that was amazing. The sweet taste of hoisin sauce on shrimp.